To clone apps in Google Pixel 11, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. And just briefly, I'm going to show you where to get to private space. So open security and privacy, and then enter private space right here. If you click on it for the first time, you will need to perform setup for private space. I've made a dedicated video, so if you need help with that, you can watch it on my channel. And then when your private space is created, you can open your app drawer and find private space on the bottom. Make sure to unlock it, because usually it should be locked like this. And then you can click on this plus button and add whichever apps you want from Google Play Store. So in this case, I went for a WhatsApp and I've added WhatsApp right here. So we have the original WhatsApp from my normal app drawer, and then the other WhatsApp from private space. Now, as you can see, there's two different WhatsApps opened, and that's how you can clone apps. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.